This chat GPT is like your friend or your teacher or your guider. You can ask anything. In real life, we don't ask any teacher, or we feel shy to ask the friends or the teacher. We feel like scared how to ask. What if that person is laugh on me? So those lot of the shy people have those kind of problems how to ask the question to the teacher. So you can ask the chat GPT, guys. This chat GPT is considered your friend. You can ask anything to chat GPT. Hello guys, welcome to OctaCoder. Today we are going to talk about the GPT-4. GPT-4 is mind-blowing, guys, when I heard about it from OpenAI resources. So what is the GPT-4? GPT-4 is OpenAI's most advanced system, producing safer and more useful responses. This is a mind-blowing, guys. When I read about all things, if you want to read the GPT-4, so here they have given all of the information on the openai.com, so you can go and check out the whole information about GPT-4 capabilities. You can see here there are a lot of information they have given, and you can see the graph of the GPT, chat GPT 3.5, 4, no vision, and then GPT-4 is coming now. This is the graph of GPT exams. GPT is given like GRE. You can see here GRE exam is taken and it has the accuracy percentile. You can see here SAT math exam accuracy course 700 out of 800. So and the GRE scores you can see here. You can check all the information on OpenAI. But the biggest question is, guys, is GPT-4 is taking the programmer's job, or is AI taking human jobs? There are a lot of question in the programmer's mind. It comes nowadays. It came also in my mind. What will happen with me? Because the chat GPT is literally doing everything, guys. It's literally doing everything. You just need to go and ask the chat GPT. Let's ask the chat GPT, for example, can you write program for linked list in Java? So he will explain everything. Consider this chat GPT is like your friend or your teacher or your guider. You can ask anything. In real life, we don't ask any teacher, or we feel shy to ask the friends or the teacher. We feel like scared how to ask. What if that person is laugh on me? So those lot of the shy people have those kind of problems how to ask the question to the teacher. So you can ask the chat GPT, guys. This chat GPT is considered your friend. You can ask anything to chat GPT. Now see, I just asked the can you write this linked list program, and you can see here I just asked the can you write program for linked list in Java. So he has written all the program, guys. Literally it wrote everything from basic to advanced. Every single line of code ChatGPT is written here, but the problem is it is all in the text format. Human have to decide which code you have to copy. If you just copy the whole code and paste it inside the Visual Studio Code or any whatever you are using IDE, so you just paste it, but it sometimes gives you error. If you don't know how to tell the ChatGPT the program is having an error and you need to solve it, how will the ChatGPT understand you? What are you talking about? So you have to learn some basic. You already need to know about the basic knowledge in the sense of using the ChatGPT, or GPT-4 is upcoming right now. So for that, if you want to learn from basics, so you just need to go on YouTube and search OctaCoder, and you will get the first link. This is the OctaCoder YouTube channel, guys. Please hit the subscribe button right here and you will learn lot of videos are upcoming, but we have already uploaded some shorts uploaded. I have, you can see how to create neuromorphic box shadows like this. You can see how to create this glowing button, how to convert image into links, how to make any css top priority. We have given all basic to advanced level, and these are the only basic videos. In the future there are a lot of more videos are upcoming, so don't forget to subscribe the OctaCoder YouTube channel, and don't worry about the GPT-4 is not going to take your jobs. It is actually the beneficiary of the programmer. You can solve your problem using the GPT-4 or ChatGPT. GPT-4 is coming. You can ask the ChatGPT like just I asked it. So you can solve your coding problem using the ChatGPT. But don't use the ChatGPT a lot of if you don't know the basics. First learn the basics and then start using the ChatGPT. It will be really helpful because we always feel the shy and scared how to ask the teacher, sir, can you solve this problem? And sometimes some sir will tell you the solution, but some of the sir are like, come later, we will talk about this later. They are just going to pending, postpone. But you don't need to wait for that. You just start using the ChatGPT and ask any question on ChatGPT. It will give you 80%. I'm not gonna tell you the 100% accuracy, but it will give you like 80% accuracy. It will solve your problem. When I heard the GPT-4 is upcoming, GPT-4 is literally revolutionary, guys. It's really advanced. In GPT-4 you can do anything, guys. You just need to draw on a paper. The website design you can just draw on the paper and take a photo, and you can paste it inside the GPT-4. I will show you the example. Just tell, yeah, here you can see the image. In the image format you just need to tell the GPT-4 we want to create this output like this looking like, and GPT-4 will create the whatever the design you have drawn on the paper. It will give you the whole code of that design whatever you have drawn on the paper. That's the advanced level of this GPT-4. I love this feature in this GPT-4. So a lot of people are going to use this GPT-4. I'm also waiting for that when they are going to launch. I hope so they are going to launch very soon. So till then, just keep watching OctaCoder YouTube channel and learn from the basic to advanced level. So don't worry, the GPT-4 is not going to take your jobs. It will create you more advanced level. You can gain more lot of knowledge by the GPT-4 or ChatGPT. It is really helpful tool. So keep learning, keep practicing, and stay connected with the OctaCoder. Thank you for watching.